So you're thinking about moving to Toronto? Today I'm going to show you an area of the city called the Path, which is an underground city, literally, and it's connected to buildings with shops and restaurants. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you some of the best kept secrets in the area. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please tap the bell and subscribe so that you can be the first to know about new market trends here in Toronto. My name is Ed Bulmer, and I get calls and texts from people like you every day. So if you want to know anything about living in Toronto, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you. This is one of my favorite stores in the area. It's called Nature's Emporium. Cool little health food store with all kinds of products for your health and organic products. They've also got a nice selection of organic local veggies, and they've got a nice section here of organic beef and poultry products. And for those who are needing specialty items like gluten-free products and dairy-free products, we've got all kinds of extra organic products and regular products that you can choose from. They've also got a nice soup and salad bar here. And one of my favorites, pizzas. So this is Celia. She's going to tell you a little bit about their organic products and organic coffee shop here at Nature's Emporium. Go ahead, Celia.
Hi guys. So this is Nature's Emporium. We provide organic coffee and we have smoothies. We also have smoothie bowls. So if you guys want to try that out, summer is coming. Nice weather to grab that. And we also have some pastries over here. We have dairy products.
Here I'm in the food court. This court is connected to the path, so you can access it from inside anywhere along the pathway. Kind of a cool food court with all kinds of little vendors in here. I'll take a quick look at here. So this is the path. As you can see, it's a series of walkways that connects buildings all through the downtown Toronto. It links buildings, it links to shopping areas, it links to restaurants. It links to Union Square, which is your hub transport. Now we're continuing on the pathway. The next building is Maple Leaf Square. And it's exactly as it said, it's connected to the building where the Maple Leafs play. So you can come to a hockey game, you don't even have to go outside from your hotel. And down this pathway, we're going to enter into another little mall that has a Longo's and some other shopping. Here I am at Union Station again at another specialty shop called Isabella's. If you want to try something different, come on into the Danish pastry. Here at Isabella's, they make these cool donuts that are sort of crunchy. They're made with rice flour, kind of a different kind of a style. They have over 500 kinds of drinks, matcha drinks, hibiscus drinks, and coffees. So cool place to stop in and try something different. Here we are at another specialty pastry shop at Union Square. It's called the Danish Pastry House. Let's take a look. See, they have all kinds of cool different pastries here. So stop in and try it sometime when you're at Union Square. Here we are at the Union Station food court. I'm going to show you around a little bit here. We got food from different cultures, and that's a great place to see people that are traveling through Toronto to different locations all over the world. So let's take a look. So here's some more unique food vendors in Union Square here. We've got sushi here. We've got a place called the Loaded Pierogi. We've got shawarma here. And you've got Chinese over here. Hi, these folks are from the Philippines visiting Toronto. Say hi, everybody. Welcome to Toronto. Hi. Have a great trip and God bless. Continuing on the path here now, we're north of Union Station now, and this is going up towards the Eaton Centre. Here we are in the Great Hall in Union Station. This is a central point for transport through Toronto, where you've got links to the UP Express, which is a high-speed rail system that goes to Toronto Airport. You can get to the airport 20 to 25 minutes for, maybe $6 or $7. You can also catch the subway lines here, the streetcar lines, and this terminal connects pretty well all forms of transit in Toronto. Union Station. As you can see by the amount of people, it's a very active area. People connecting all over the downtown area. Offices and businesses come down here to have lunch and explore the area. we have a Zetka Cocina Mexicana for some nice tacos. These guys are having fun here making tacos. This is Amano's in Union Station. Nice little bar here and restaurant area in the back. So come on down for a nice relaxing evening at Amano's. Well, you wanted to know one of the best kept secrets, and this is my favorite place. It's a kind of a cool little funky place called Union Chicken. It's in Union Square. They got lots of seating area, rotisserie chicken, one of the best tasting chicken dinners you'll have around. So check it out next time you're around Union Square. Union Chicken has a nice little restaurant area inside for fine dining. You can sit down and enjoy yourself while you're between trips or between spots on your vacation or traveling through Toronto.